In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the snipping tool in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's actually two easy methods to open up the snipping tool. The very first one is going to search, typing in snipping because it's a default app, and then it's going to be snipping tool right here. It looks like this icon as well. Then you can just go ahead and open it up and it looks something like this, and all you got to do is just press new. Once you press new, you can literally just take anything you want like this. I just took a little screenshot of my wallpaper, and then you can even edit it and do whatever you want by, selecting this, and you can select color, change the size, and then if you want to save whatever you made, you can just go to the top right and click this save icon, which is Control S, or you can just copy it and send it somewhere, or you can even share it as well if you want to. Another alternative, like let's say if it's not showing up like that whenever you go and search it, if you hold down Shift and Control and S, it actually also brings up the snipping tool as well. So that is another option that you can use to open up the snipping tool. But honestly, I literally just do it like this. And another thing you can do is once it's open, you can just pin it to your taskbar as well. Mine is already pinned, but you can just right click and then pin to taskbar. Then it's always going to be at the bottom. So you don't have to press any shortcut. You can just use your mouse instantly. But it's as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.